Come on, let's turn your obstacles into opportunities. Ahoy! I'm Captain Rob Lee, and welcome to Pirate Lifestyle TV. Arrrrrr. In this video, we are going to talk about obstacles so you can see exactly how pirates deal with them and show you how you can live the life of your dreams. Each morning when you get up and start your day, you choose how to live your life. Do you get dressed in clothes that you bought for your job? Do you leave your house and drive through traffic in your car, both of which you are still paying for? Do you need the job to pay for the clothes, the house, and the car? Forget about keeping up with the Joneses. They are all freaking screwed up anyway. Stop living in the vicious circle of clothes, cars, commuting in traffic, and work. Why are you living a normal, keeping up with the Joneses life? The world is full of distractions and obstacles. The trick is to focus on your dreams, what it is you wish to achieve. Like a motorcycle rider on a twisty road, look where you want to go and go there. Do not focus on the obstacles in your path, like the ditch, or that is exactly where you will end up. Look beyond the immediate obstacles and visualize successfully reaching your dreams. I hope you enjoyed this Pirate Lifestyle TV Quickie. Keep the great ideas coming, and please share these videos with your friends. With ye help, me goal be to motivate and stimulate ye friends to be living the pirate lifestyle.